Are you wondering which tool is better for your next project? Today, we'll compare Directus and Pocketbase. Both of these tools help you manage and store data, but they do it in different ways. They are both great for developers looking to build applications quickly. Let's start with Directus. It's an open source headless CMS. This means it focuses on managing content and data without being tied to a specific front end. You can easily connect it to any application. Directors offers a user-friendly interface. It allows you to create and manage your database easily. Now, let's talk about Pocketbase. This tool is also a backend solution, but it's more focused on mobile and web applications. Pocketbase comes with built-in authentication and real-time features. It's designed for developers who want a lightweight solution. So, what are the main differences? Directors is more about content management, while Pocketbase is about quick app development. If you need a powerful CMS, Directors might be the way to go. If you want something simple and fast for apps, Pocketbase is a better choice. When it comes to features, Directors offers extensive customization options. You can tailor it to fit your needs. On the other hand, Pocketbase is straightforward and easy to set up. It includes essential features right out of the box. Pricing is also important. Directus is free and open source, but you might incur cost if you choose to host it yourself. Pocketbase offers a free tier, but you'll need to pay for extra features as you grow. In the end, choose Directus if you need a flexible CMS. Pick Pocketbase if you want a quick and easy backend for your apps. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.